Hi, this is Harish here. Welcome to DB2 LUW Tips and Tricks video tutorial part 148. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about the same thing that I talked about in the video tutorial 147. The issue is with the select clause with order by, the select query with order by clause consumes double private sort memory. So that is the only difference that this is more of a demonstration video. The issue has been raised already in 147. In 148, this is a demonstration for the private sort memory. The scripts that I'm using, the download files, data files are all available at db2lewacademy.blogspot.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/db2lewacademy. And this is the problem scenario. So obviously this is a continuation of part 147. So if you have a select column from table, order by that column, there are no indexes on the table, then obviously a sort will be performed. So that particular sort is consuming twice the size of sort heap CFG size, the configured value, even it is a private sort memory. So in shared sort memory, I have shown you the same thing using the high water mark. So how the high water mark has grown and how it is coming down. So that might, if you feel that is not a good way of representing in memory, you want to see, I have given that in the DB2 mtrack tool and have used private sort model, and you can see that in the memory it is allocating two sort heap of 20 MB each. So which is like, if you have observed the same scenario is what I'm using. So if you watch the 147, you will be seeing the 148. It makes more sense. And without any further delay, so let us just go to the demonstration. So obviously I have updated the DBM CFG using see, I have updated the instance configuration file using sheep thresh 50,000. So first let me show that to you. So I'll just copy that. I'll come back here and I'll paste it. Okay. So you can see it is set to 50,000 and currently there is no active databases. Okay. And I have started the instance. Sorry about that. And you can see there is a CMSDB and the configuration value of that will also be oh sorry, I have updated. Okay, it's already updated, so I just don't know why I did that again. Okay, any case, grep sort. So you can see the shared memory is 250, so it will not use the shared memory. Sort heap is 5000, so 5004 is like 20 KB. Okay, so I'll allocate another tab. Okay, I'll just keep that open for the time being. So then you can activate the CMSDB. Okay, so let's go do that. Okay, here activate the database. And you want to see the list active databases, yes, and then list applications. Okay, since there is no connection, it is saying like that. So let us connect to the database. Okay, copy that. Let's connect, and I'm going to say list applications. So 22 is the application handle. So why I wanted to show that is like, because if you look at this query, okay, so let's run this. So this is like 22, right? Okay, so for 22 I'll know what is the application handle, and the agent ID is 23. Okay, so the edu ID at the database level is 23, and the application handle, if you use the application ID like application handle, that is 22, and the agent ID, internal edu ID, is 23. Okay, so let's keep track of that. Okay, now I have already created the table, I have loaded the data, and also I'm going to run this select query. So let's do that. Okay, here. So now before hitting enter on the select query, what I'm going to do is take the mtrack output. Okay, and I'm going to put it into the file so.out. Okay, so I have to do that here. So let me just say ls. There is no file as of now, so I'm going to put that out. Okay, so this will collect the memory information for all the agents and the application, and it will repeat for every 2 seconds, and it will put it in the so.out file. Okay, so it has started. So let me run the query also here. Now this is going to sort and obviously there are no indexes on that particular table, so I'm going to show you that also. Okay, so let the select run and it will return the results in an ordered manner. So here it is still like every 2 seconds I'm collecting the data here, so I'm not showing that to you here. So let the sort complete. So it should allocate 40 MB. So it has sorted and it has started returning the result set. So what I'll do is I'll just like cancel this. So let it reach 2000 or something. I don't know. I don't think so it's required. So I'm just going to leave that. Okay. So I have cancelled it. Okay. And I'll cancel this also. So I have collected the information in so.out, and you should be able to see that in gedit. So there is a so.out. So let me open that. Other documents, home, so.out, open. Okay, and I'll do a quick search. So the application handle was 22, right? So you can see here, see memory for, okay, sorry. Yeah, memory for application 22. So there is application heap and some other memory only in terms of bytes. So if I run sort heap, right? So you can see that for application 22, the sort heap is 20 bytes, right? It has taken only one memory like that, right? It appears like that. Okay, agent 23, 20 MB, agent 22, agent 23. There you go. Memory for application 22 is 2 sort heap memory area is allocated in the private sort for that application 22, and obviously one is consuming 20 MB, another one is consuming 7 MB, but you will eventually see that it is not the case. Okay. Okay. Application for 22. Okay, application for 22. There you go. There you go. Memory for application 22. 2 sort heaps are allocated and each of them are consuming 20 MB. Definitely, yes. This is like 512, 768. So this is 20 MB approximately, which is the configured size. It is taking twice the size and 2 sort heap memory area is allocated, which is my first concern, right? So I have demonstrated that in here the sort is completing, I guess. So you can see that it is becoming less in terms of memory and eventually it will go away. So I don't know whether I will be able to cap. Again, it has shooted up, right? Okay. 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 So it's consuming 40 MB at max. And yeah, I think it's done actually. So yeah. So now if you look at the same output for the agent ID 23, see there is no memory allocated. Okay, so for application number 22, like which should be like here, no sort heap memory is allocated. Sort heap memory is gone because we have completed the query and we have completed the sort, right? So now let us do the same thing by creating an index, right? So let's go here, alter. This is just I'm doing not to activate the transaction logs, otherwise the transaction logs will be huge. So I'm going to do that. So before I hit enter, I'm going to run this guy. Okay, it is the same command redirected to a different file. Okay. Okay, so this time it is ic.out. Okay, because it is the index creation. So I'll go here, I'll say hit enter. So this should create an index, and as part of creation of index, again the memory, like it has to perform a sort, but this time there will be only one sort heap allocated for the entire application during that duration of create sort happening. So it should not consume 2 sort heap memory areas for a particular application, which is like the application number 22 or the agent ID 23, whatever because I'm doing both here, A and P options, so it will show that. Okay, let's see if it completes. It's a slow machine, it's going to take a while. It's really huge data, 2 GB, almost 1.82 GB of data. So let's do this. Let's simply wait until it completes the creation. So this is more of a demonstration. So I am just saying that to you. So the create index has been completed. So once the create index has been completed, I'll stop the data collection, the memory track data collection, and let us drop the index as well. So I don't need the index, so I'll just drop the index, and we'll not worry about that. So now we have to open the ic.out and see, right? Okay, so here I'll again do the search for sort. So you can see that the memory for application 22, there is only one sort heap allocated, right? So I'll come down. For agent ID 23, which is again the same sort heap, there is only one sort heap allocated. It doesn't allocate multiple sort memory. Like the sort memory reaches about 19 MB or 20 MB, which is good, right? So memory for application is 19 something, right? So which is the same memory for agent 23, 19. So there is only one sort heap. There is no there is statement heap, there is application heap, there is sort heap. There is only one sort heap. There are no two sort heap memory areas allocated. So you can see that I'm scrolling through all the things. There's only one sort heap. Let's do that again. So we are almost reaching the end of it. Only one sort heap so far. Okay, of 19 MB, that is, which is like more or less 20 MB the configured size. Okay, 32, that's it. I am at the end of the search. So this is again the first value. Okay, so if you look at the select with order stuff, right? So let me do the same sort here, same sort heap. I'll show you. You can very well see that see, sort heap, two sort heap got allocated, and both of them will reach 20 MB in a while. Like as of now it is not, but there you go. Application for memory for application heap, two sort heaps are allocated, and there is always the other memory, so I don't want to comment about that, but there you go. Very simple, very simple. Again it reaches the peak, so now it is down. Okay, again it is reaching the 20 MB maximum, so 20, 40 MB. So why it is allocating two sort heap memory areas? So that is the question, but I just want to demonstrate that it is actual sort heap memory allocation. It is not a it is not some error with the high watermark or something like that, which I showed you in the last video. Okay, hope this information was useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/db2lew academy. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, bye bye.